Hey, it's Grandpa K. Today, we're going to scale things. We're going to make items scalable. We're going to learn how to scale. We're going to use math. I have a lot of 1/10 scale printed items. Look at this little guy. I'll give credit to the designer. But I have 1/10 scale items. We're going to make some stuff 1/24 scale. But first, fine. This is as far as I'm willing to go. Oh my God. How small are these? Well, now I have to... I think that's it. Okay, let's open another one. 2 of these. 3 of these. I mean, there's no standard. There's no standard of alcohol wipes. They can just be this tiny. Okay, fine. Okay. This is about as much as I'm going to do. Yeah, I'll clean this up later. Don't look at that. Okay. How's that? Don't look down there. Oh my God. What the? Oh, geez. Okay, well. It's all kind of a mess. But just clean. Okay? We're going to go upstairs and learn how to scale. Yay, math. All right. I've got a RGT Racing Defender. I don't even know if these guys are in business anymore. But little 1/24 scale crawler. It's nice. Lots of fun. I don't have a lot of accessories. Always turn your radio on first, kids. Okay, so I've got a lot of 1/10 scale items. Just a great gas can, wonderful STL files. There's a Playmate lunchbox. And that all goes fine with the big red cat. You've seen the videos. Oh, that's the first time I've got those to line up, and then they popped out. Oh, there it goes. Oh. I may need my glasses on because I can't see. Yeah, you get old. That's what happens. I made it pretty far without needing glasses. Everyone on my dad's side of the family, you know what? Everyone on both sides of the family needed prescription glasses pretty early on, like their whole lives. And I got really lucky. I didn't need glasses until maybe 7 years ago. You can look at some of my old videos where I'm on the motorcycle. You kidding me? I got contacts. I got my first prescription because I couldn't see my brake markers on the track. You take a mental note where you want to start braking on a track. Mine is High Plains Raceway. I've got hundreds of laps on High Plains Raceway. Let me check out some of my old videos. Did this break? Yeah, maybe we'll print another one of these. I'll just glue it. So I've got a few revisions of a luggage rack up here. You can see how I wanted it to hook on to the roll cage. Some things worked, some things didn't. I wanted it to snap straight down, but what I got instead is kind of a wiggle it on and squeeze it type of model. That works fine, doesn't it? I thought it would be fun to put some accessories into the 1/24th rig. Roll of duct tape works perfectly for 1/10. It's a little big for up there, isn't it? Look at that gas can. Is that gas can to scale? Look, I'm as anti-scale as you can get. But that's a really big gas can for a 1/24th. Just a couple things up there I was thinking. These are awesome. There's batteries in there. You can open up this package. I love those. But I thought I'd put something in there. I can make a little sleeping bag roller, 1/24th scale, you know, do some measurements, do some things by eye. But I thought I'd go over today on how to do the math to make things 1/24th scale that maybe are 1/10 scale or even 100% size, and help you out there. There's a lot of guesswork. You can do guessing if you want. The gas can is just the best 3D print gas can. I made these at work 100 years ago. How do you refold a map? Put that in there. We're going to get lost without it. I don't want to hear anyone fooling themselves saying that these aren't toys. Look, you can't give these to a 3 or 4-year-old, but we're grown men playing with little RC cars. I love it. Maybe even get back into racing again. I raced in the 80s. I threw away boxes and boxes of trophies from racing back in the day. All right. So today, we're going to scale down this little lunchbox to 1/24th. It's a little big now, don't you think? It's a big lunchbox. And I'm just going to stick it up there with a bedroll. Maybe we'll scale down this gas can too. You just got to take the model that exists and reduce it. But by what percentage? All right. What we have here is the 1/10 scale Igloo little Playmate model by Tryhard 22, DA Tryhard 22 from MakerWorld.com. A lot of bamboo enthusiasts play on Maker's World because we can just open the file in Bamboo Studio without downloading the STLs. It looks like I printed this one opposite of what you were supposed to, with a white base. See what I did there? This even comes with an interior. All right, so this is a little big for my 1/24th scale rig. So we're going to do the maths and shrink it down. And I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to start from 100% from scratch, from the original size. I found this information on, everybody's favorite shopping site that's named after a humid, jungly forest. The original width, we're just going to go with width, and we're going to scale the rest of the model proportionately, is 14.49 inches wide. Should we just go to 14.5? It doesn't matter because we're going to use a calculator. So when you want to scale something down to 1/24th especially, you look at what 1/24th looks like, what it says. 1/24th. That's 1 divided by 24. You get me? You following? So we're going to multiply, we're going to take 1 divided by 24. 1 divided by 24 equals, mouse button, 0.041666666666. Infinity. We can round up. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. And you multiply this number times 14.49. 14.49 is 0.0635. 0.0635 is just a little over half an inch. So if you look at a ruler, and I'm guessing, man. I'm saying 0.5 is right there. 0.6035 is a little bigger. So the width of my new 1/24th little lunchbox, it's going to be half an inch. I think that's going to look right. So that's the measurement of the lunchbox now. Now, when I work in Bamboo Studio, I don't think, I have to be very aware that I can hear my nose breathing. It's gross. When I work in Bamboo Studio, I don't know if there's a preference to change it over to inches, but it is in millimeters. If you click on something and it's got a size to it, that size is in millimeters. I have to change some settings here. I'm running the Bamboo P1S 0.4 nozzle. Let's resync my colors. Beautiful. I'm not going to print this box. But you can see here, you can see here, we've got the little box, the model. Here, whoa. Right? Looking good. I like it. We're working together. I really don't know where the width of this is right now, except for if I go to scale it, that Y coordinate is 30 millimeters. I know that that is this in my hand right now. Because that fine artist made a 1/10 scale little igloo. So 30.4 millimeters is too big. I'm going to convert the 0.60375 to millimeters. 15.3 millimeters. I'm liking this. I think this is working. There are some mathematicians screaming. But look, it's smaller than the 1/10 scale one. Right? So I'm going to aim for 15.3. I don't know why I need to do this, but it just is so satisfying. There we go. I'm going to aim for 15.3 millimeters in my Bambu Lab studio. Stop doing that. Right now it's at 30.4. I'm going to scale it down 51. We're just going to see what that gets me. 15.32. I love it. We're printing that. How do you do the default view again? There it is. Whoa. We're doing this. Let's slice it and run it. And I'll let you watch the... well, that should be a color, right? I had that wrong before. Right? The whole box is the color. Yeah. What color box do we want? Somebody say orange. Yeah, let's do orange. Change filament to orange. We'll have an orange box. We could have a green one. We'll do a white and orange lid. That'll be a long slice. And we'll get this one going. Should we change this to 50% also? Let's do it. 51. Gosh, don't forget. I'm guessing, dudes and dudettes. But I like it. Sometimes math is guessing. Look at that. How do you change the color of this? I'm going to change that to white. Oh no. What just happened? Oh, I know. You know what? I'm going to change this another way. We'll Z that. It's two color. I'll change the color in the print window. So this is going to be color orange. We're going to slice it. Oh, that didn't work. See? I'm on the first plate still. Let's go back. Empty layers around bottom. Okay, that's fine. We're going to slice this plate of the orange one. No warnings. Oh my God, lots of support. That's a lot of support. Maybe we do a little less support. Jeez. All right, it's fine. We can take that off. He really wants support. Let's see how it slices without support. Wait, what does that say? Support enforcers are used, but support is not enabled. Please enable support. Oh, so somewhere, I think, the designer put enforcers in the software. Oh, I have to print the little tub because this one ain't going to fit. It's going to be too big. Okay, fine. I will, but not right now. We're going to click on support. Tree slim. I want to It's fine. I'm clicking on a lot of things, just trying to see if I can control how much support gets put on. Because sometimes breaking these things off is tough. Okay, there's support. It's a tree hybrid. Okay. And we're going to give it a go. We're going to trust the designer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lovely mouse control. Yeah. Let's just do it. We're printing this one. And I'm going to show you the time lapse because I like it. It's fun to watch. For me, anyway. Let me know what you think. Do you like the time lapse stuff? I am excited. There's a smaller 15.3 kind of little lunchbox for my 1/24th scale Defender unit. I'm going to put this on here. This will go in there. That looks about right. It just looks about right. That's how we do it in the anti-scale league. We're against scale. Not to scale is our motto. I'll break this apart. But let's do, if it comes apart easily, we'll do it together right now. Oh, sometimes. Nice. That's not bad. Looks like there's a little support in the hole. Doesn't everybody just want a little support in the hole? Maybe that's supposed to be like that. You know, that's something we should talk about. When, scaling down, you're going to lose a lot of detail. There is detail when they're big. But you could lose detail when you shrink it. Okay? The lid still may not work. Things like that. This even has an ice bucket that goes in here. This is just a great model. Scale Igloo Little Playmate Cooler in Maker World. All right, let's do the top. Can we get back in here? There's the bottom. I'm okay with it. Go to this plate. I've already scaled it down. It's going to be so small. And, this is something like, this is resolution is what makes this so small. When you have smaller nozzles, maybe you're going to be able to see this, but this one isn't going to be very seeable. I'm going to color this one orange, this one white. Can't see the preview right now because I couldn't change the colors on the plate. Somebody probably knows how to do that. I don't want to mess around with it right now. You can ungroup objects and you can color them on the plate so you can see them in the preview. But everything that's white is going to be in orange right now. Everything green is going to be white. And I think that's how these models, you want a white lid and a colored body. So we're going to have an orange body. And the lid will be white, not green, white. We're going to send this one. It's going to be 2-color. We're going to do some time lapse. And we'll be back and see how this one goes. Here we are. All right, this is the end of our video. It was a success. We went from this 1/10 scale igloo little lunchbox to this 1/24 scale. Look at that. Not bad detail. Not bad. We're going to talk about, at the end of this video, where we're at now. We're going to talk about, was it worth it? The material it cost, the couple of jams that it made. Was it worth it? Yeah. Look at it. 1/24 scale. You have to talk lighter when you reach this scale. It's just fantastic. I'm not going to print the insert. I just think it's too small. Like a ink printer, we're losing resolution here. Oh, I need some lotion. But look at that. This little guy, shoe glued and on the trail, is a perfect addition to my 1/24 scale Defender. RGTRacing.com. And there's the logo. Are they even in business anymore? V2. Wonderful. Now, look at this. I don't have a scale. I don't want a scale. Just look at it. Okay. Look at the primer tower that it took to get this done. It did at least 3 poop cleanouts. So there's 6 of these. The amount of material in this poop cleanout has got to be double that's in the finished product. It's hilarious. Can you control how much cleanout you have? Yeah. Can you control how the primer tower works? Yeah, you sure can. Do I care? Not really. Not right now. Okay? It was dang worth it. Look at that. I am all for anti-scale, but that is a clean scale printout. From this to this. This is going on the 1/10 scale rig. And now, a video you won't see, I'm going to shrink this gas can too. It's going to be lovely. So that things actually fit my 1/24 scale rig. Right? Wonderful. So have fun with your 3D prints. Do you have to take into consideration the waste and what it takes to do this? Yeah, you do sometimes. But this time, no worries. We're just putting it in there. We need a map. We need a map. Where's this map going to go? You don't throw a map on top of your luggage rack. Anyway, that's the end of the vid. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hanging out with Grandpa K. All right. Have fun, y'all. Love you. Bye.